Are you looking for the finishing touches for your home? We recommend using a houseplant, or 20. Hi, I'm Abby with Boulevard Home, and today we're gonna give you our top 10 small indoor plants and top 10 big indoor plants that'll brighten up any room. First, we'll start with small plants. Number 1 are succulents. Succulents are low maintenance and stay really small, so they're perfect for tabletop decor or shelf decor. They need full sun and well-drained soil. Number 2, cactus. These plants require very little care, but if you have kids or pets, make sure they're up high on a shelf or on a table so little hands can't grab them. These plants need full sun and well-drained soil. Number 3, air plants. Air plants are very unique because they don't need soil to live. You just put them in their pot. These plants are really easy to take care of. Just mist them 2 to 3 times a week and they need full sun. Number 4 is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent, but it's one of our favorites. It's low maintenance and has medicinal uses. These plants need full sun and well-drained soil. Number 5 is snake plants. These plants are really tall and skinny, making them perfect for tight corners. And they don't need a lot of sun, so they'll be perfect for darker rooms like bathrooms. These plants need indirect sun and well-drained soil. Number 6 is lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is uniquely shaped, so it adds interest to a room instantly, and you can plant them in soil or water. Lucky bamboo needs indirect sun and well-drained/dry soil, or if you're planting them in water, just change the water weekly. Number 7, pothos plants. Pothos plants have beautiful trailing vines that can spice up any boring wall or shelf, and they are great at purifying the air. They need full/partial sun and well-drained soil. Number 8 is ZZ plants. ZZ plants require less water than most plants, so they're perfect for beginners, and they can even tolerate low light. These plants need indirect or low light, and even though they require less water, they still need well-drained soil. Number 9, string of pearls. This trailing plant has beautiful cascading vines, so it's perfect for shelves or for hanging up. This plant needs indirect light and moist soil. Our last small houseplant is number 10, Chinese money plant. This plant stays really small, so it's perfect for desks or tables. These plants need indirect sun and well-drained soil. Next, let's go over our top 10 favorite large indoor plants. These plants are larger, so they're best suited for floor decor. Number 1 is rubber tree. This plant can grow 10 feet tall, so you do have to prune it back every once in a while. It needs indirect sun and well-drained soil. Number 2 is peace lily. Peace lilies are super unique because they don't need a lot of light to live. They can even survive under fluorescent lighting. They need partial shade and well-drained soil. Number 3 is cast iron plants. These plants are tough as nails. If you are a beginner gardener or have a really hard time remembering to water or fertilize your plants, this is the plant for you. It needs indirect sun and well-drained soil. Number 4 is Dracaena gold star. These plants are easygoing and grow vertical, making them perfect for tight corners. They need partial or full sun and moist soil. Number 5 is Monstera. Monstera plants have beautiful hole formations and trailing vines. They even tolerate low light, and they give off a real jungle vibe. These plants need well-drained soil and indirect light. Number 6, Areca palms. Areca palms are also known as bamboo palms. They can be grown indoors and outdoors. These plants need partial or full sun and moist soil. Number 7, mass cane. This plant has a thick trunk and is perfect for beginner plant collectors. Unfortunately, they are toxic to dogs and cats, so if you have dogs or cats, avoid buying this plant. They need indirect sun and moist soil. Number 8, Ficus Audrey. Ficus Audreys are the national tree of India, and for good reason. They're beautiful, but they don't do well in temperatures below 60 degrees, so keep them away from doors and windows in the wintertime. They need indirect sun and well-drained soil. Number 9, Madagascar dragon tree. These trees have twisty trunks and varying colors in their leaves, which is very unique. They need partial or full sun, and they need well-drained soil. However, they are tropical plants, so be sure to only water them once every 2 weeks in the wintertime. Number 10, Ficus Altisima. This plant can grow at upwards of 100 feet in the wilderness. And interesting fact, rubber trees are its cousin. This plant is a little finicky and picky about its care, and it's the only plant on this list that is not low maintenance. So be sure to do your research before buying this plant. It needs well-drained soil and partial or full sun. Not only are plants bright and colorful and beautiful, but they're also beneficial to your health. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Studies show that plants can eliminate up to 87% of harmful toxins in the air in just 24 hours. So make your lungs and home happy by investing in some indoor plants. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and comment below what your favorite indoor plant is.